Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to remove the immobilizer from this EDC 15, which has come out of a VW transporter. We've got VCDS connected, and if I just switch it on and I go to the VCDS, we want to see what's going on inside. So first of all, select, let's go up to there. Okay, engine, that's all we're interested in. Let it read. Okay, now the main fault code on this is the customer's complaint is the vehicle starts, runs for a second and then stops. Okay, so there's the first one. Look, engine start blocked by immobilizer. So I'd say he's got a bad key. Right, he wants the immobilizer removed. Now if I go adaption, now it says no documentation available, but I know it's channel 91. So if I put channel 91 in, read it, that's a 4. Now I'll show you what a 4 means. If I click on it, it won't do anything. Okay, and if I go test, it says 4. Well, 4 basically means it's got an immobilizer active and the immobilizer is on. Okay, we'll do it with another ECU in a minute. So what I want to do now is close controller, go back, exit. Okay, so what we're going to use is VAG-CAN Commander to remove the immobilizer from this ECU. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so we've now got VAG-CAN Commander connected to our ECU. So the next thing we want to do now is load it. And we don't need anything fancy. Although it says motor on there, you won't get to it from that. I want to read the EEPROM. Connect to the device, start transferring the data. It should give me the login code, which it has, and the and the mileage. Okay, so I want to go emo off and write the EEPROM. That should be it. Escape. This doesn't actually tell you that if the immobilizer is on or off, so we're going to use VCDS again. Okay, so I'm going to go back to VCDS. So I'll call you back in a sec. We are now back with VCDS connected. Let's go to VCDS now. Go select engine. It should read the ECU like it has. I want to go to adaption and channel, no documentation available. So channel 91, enter, and there we go, a 1. So if I put a test on that, so that tells me the immobilizer has been removed. Okay, now we're going to load another ECU, and I'll just show you that's proof that the the immobilizer has been removed. So we're going to go done. We're going to go back. I want to exit. Okay. So this is one that I've already moved the immobilizer from with its pin code. Okay, so we're going to plug that one in next. So bear with me. Okay, welcome back. Now then, so we've got VCDS connected. We've got the green light, which is good. So this one has already got the immobilizer off. So if I now go back into VCDS. Okay, I want to select. And if I go engine on this one, this is a 15 plus. What's going on? What's going on? Is it plugged in? Is it switched on? It's all switched on. 15p. Immobilizer connected. Phone's plugged in. I got the green light. Let's just turn the power off. I'll just come back, bear with me. Sorry about that. Power supply wasn't, I didn't give it long enough for the power supply to connect to the ECU. So you just switch it all off, unplug it, switch it back on again, and it'll work. Right, so this time we have the one with the immobilizer off, connected to our fast fit connection. There's our fault codes. If we go into adaption, we can now see documented channels. So if I go documented channels, this is how I know it's 91. If I go immobilizer status, there's channel 91, and there's number 1. If we click on number 1, where is it? So let's test it. Okay, and somewhere up here, if you click on it, it's not going to tell me Immobilizer status is disconnected. There we go. Right. So number one, Immobilizer disabled. There we go. So a brand new one would be 0, disabled is 1, and matched system OK is 4. So it was 4 before. So okay. So I know now that this one has had the Immobilizer removed. I can put the label on, which I've already printed, which is here with the pin code that he may need if he swaps ECUs over or swaps clusters over. So that will go on there, and that's it. EDC 15 Immobilizer removed using VAGCOM and VCDS. Okay, thank you for watching.